bumigay.
Bumigay sa MD. Yeah.
Oo.
Gagawin natin. Ito rin, nag-artista ito nung araw, hindi tinuloy eh.
Oo. Ako, ayoko na.
Bakit ayaw mo na mag-artista?
Ako? Andito na ako eh. Wala lang. Tahimik ako dito.
Sino ang ating susunod na performer?
Yes, our next performer is going to be
You know
the
what?
Voice Master.
The Voice Master. He's the CEO of his own company.
Wow.
Para ba yung salad master at saka ano?
Oh, Voice Master. You guys probably heard this guy, but you've never seen him. So this is going to be quite a treat. He came here all the way from Manila just to be with us.
Ay, nagbibiro lang ako pero I'm very particularly proud of this guy. Ang living ko nung araw, I used to translate Filipino films into English and then dinadub namin ang voices. I used to be the voice for Eddie Garcia. And Christopher De Leon and Zamora, who's the actor, karate.
Ramon Zamora.
You know, kinabubuhay ko nung araw. And
Diba? Alam mo-
he has refined that craft to an art form na basically, ginagalang ho na ibang bansa ang trabaho nitong young gentleman na ito. And he set the benchmark much, much higher. So there's a lot of respect and admiration for the kind of work he's doing.
We should be proud.
Ipuntahan mo sa internet, makikita mo how people look up to him and how they appreciate his work. Ladies and
Wonderful.
gentlemen, let's welcome
Mr. Pocholo Gonzalez.
Ito yung gagamitin ko. Mas maganda.
Magandang araw po. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Mabuhay. Magandang araw po. You know, this is my first time to be in this place. This is my first time to be in Union City. And actually, I haven't seen the Golden Gate yet. You know, it's so funny, but it's my dream come true to come here. Katulad nga po nung sinabi nila, I'm the voice master of the Philippines. You know, it's been like 16 years of my life doing voiceover work. For sure, my voice is being aired here in the US because some of my voiceover work has being used by ABS-CBN, Global, or Pinoy TV. Yan, like yung mga commercial po na, kayo ba'y nasa US? Parang ganon. Anyway, you know, I would like to acknowledge po yung mga lolo't lola natin dito. Napansin ko marami po sila dito. And you know what? Why I became a voice artist? Probinsyano. We don't have a TV in my province. So the only means of entertainment that I have is the radio, right? Sino po nakikinig ng radio drama? Who's listening to radio drama here when you were young? Yeah, when you were in the Philippines, nandun po kayo sa provinces. Anyway, I'm gonna do some radio drama live. You wanna hear? Yeah! Alright. But I'll do it in Filipino. No, some of our American friends here who don't understand Filipino, please excuse me for doing that. But you know, you'll have fun while I'm doing voices for sure. Anyway, since this is a radio drama, I would like everyone to please close your eyes. Because if you watch me, it's nothing. I would like you to imagine. All right? I'll do it now. I would like to request everyone, please. Isang gabi ng lagim. Si Utoy at si Lolo Tasyo ay naligaw sa hugubatan.
Lolo Tasyo, pasensya na po kayo Kasi ang sarap po maglaro dun sa puno sa gubat
Ay, naku naman na po. Ikaw kasi laro ka ng laro dyan. Ayan tuloy. Higinabi tayo. Ay, naku.
Ay, Lolo, medyo madilim na po. Magsisiga po ako ng apoy Tsaka, kasi may medyo madilim na.
Sige po. Ayan, may puno doon.
Ayan po. Puputulin ko po yung sanga ng puno. Ayan, may apoy na.
Ay, oo nga, maliwanag na. Apo, medyo gumagalaw yung puno.
Sino ang pumutol sa aking sanga?
Lolo, may maligno.
Ay, naku. Naku.
Lolo, kinapitan ako ng puno.
Huwag kang mag-alala po. Hindi mo ba alam? Ako, si Kapitan Kangkong. Kapitan Kangkong. Pshyo! Yeah, pshyo!
Ay, Sige, Lolo. Labanan mo siya.
Shoo! Ayan, patay na ang maligno. At dyan natatapos ang kwento ni Lolo Tasio. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. You know, in the Philippines, I do like 1,000 commercials already. Name it, from Jollibee to McDonald's, anything. I have done it in Filipino. Most of it in Tagalog. But, you know, I do also English voiceover. But most of it, like, I don't know if you have seen, if you're in the Philippines, there's a commercial called Bibo Hot Dog. And I did the voice of the two puppets and also the voice of the voiceover. It sounds like this. Can you count 1 to 3? Okay, go.
Baby Bibo, bagong Bibo,
Oh, anong sekreto ng bagong Bibo?
tikman mo.
Oh, paano? Papit ako'y.
Nga.
Ang sekreto ng bagong Bibo, keso. Yeah, that's my voice.
Very nice.
And you know what? I also do like different dialects. I can do 8 dialects at the same time. But I will do a Bisaya. Who's from Bisaya here? All right, that's great. Anyway, I'll do a commercial for Nestle. Ticket sa loto, tig 10 pesos ang usa. Unya, pildi ka pa. Pero kining coffee may 10 peso pa, tig 10 pesos lang. Unom ka ta sa ngalamian ug makrema nga kape. Yeah, that's it. I mean, I hope you understand. I don't even understand it also.
Ilocano.
It's so hard, Ilocano. Anyway, you know what? The good thing, I would like to share this good news to you guys. You know what? Philippines is now #1 in terms of call centers. Do you know that? We beat it Indian. Because every time you Americans call center, hello, you are calling from something like that. And, you know, the accent is very different from us, right? And you know what? The good thing about we Filipinos being so versatile in, you know, accent, we are now doing a lot of computer games. You know, the Japanese Sega games. Have you heard of Sega?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. You know, there's some computer games like Operation Ghost, Ghost Squad. You know, the voiceovers are Filipino. And a lot of people don't know that. And it's being done in the Philippines. And I'm one of those voices. Have you heard of this voice? Like, we did some Tekken voiceover. Like, round one, fight, you lose, continue. Something like that. Or, Bravo, this Charlie, this is Bravo, going in. And, you know, I'm directing. There's a lot of Filipino, half Filipino Americans in the Philippines who are staying there right now. And in my office, there are like 50 different Filipino Americans who stayed in the Philippines now. And, you know, a lot of Japanese animation company are doing voiceovers in the country. All right, so, okay, aside from that, I would like to do some voices of prominent Filipino, especially the presidents. You want to hear? All right. Okay, I'll do the voice of FBR. You know FBR? Check. All right, this is the former president, Fidel V. Ramos, who's gonna say hi to all of you. Well, first of all, I would like to congratulate all the Filipinos here in Union City for being the #1 people. You know, mabuhay kayo para sa Philippines 2000. Thank you. Mabuhay. All right. And you know, of course, the former President Erap, right? I'll do Erap. Sabi ko lang, nais kong batiin ang mga Pilipino dito sa Amerika. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta nyo sa Independence Day natin. Alam nyo, sabi ko nung tumakbo ko, huwag nyo akong subukan. Pero bakit nyo ako sinubukan? Pero okay lang yun. I'll run again for president, but don't vote for me. Thank you. Ay, sorry, I'm going to run for mayor pala. All right, that's the former president. Anyway, we have, of course, GMA, you know? Have you seen GMA? He came here, right? Before?
2005.
He went here in 2005, but she's here now. Just imagine she's here. Okay, Madam President, former President, how are you? Ang masasabi ko lang, no? Maraming salamat sa mga Pilipino dito, no? Na nandito ngayon, no? I'm so happy to see you, all of you. Don't worry, I'm fine in veterans right now. So if any one of you wants to go there, just visit me. Please bring dollar, no? Okay lang yon. Don't worry, I will not run for president again. But I will run for governor, mayor, anything. Thank you. That's all. Mabuhay. All right. All right. Thank you. You know this character called Leo Martinez, right? Who's from Batangas here? Oh, Batangueño. Yeah. Okay, we have Leo Martinez here. Okay. Alam naman magandang araw sa inyo dito. Ala, ang hirap naman ng Batanggenyong English. Well, how are you everyone here? I hope you are doing fine. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Mabuhay. Happy Independence Day. May bubuhayin po tayong mga namatay ng karakter. Sino pong paborito si Fernando Po Jr. dito? FPJ. Fernando Po Jr. The movie king, the action king. Sige. Since this guy, this movie personality don't speak English at all, he will speak in Filipino. Okay? Alright. FPJ, bubuhayin kita. Kamusta ka na?
Masasabi ko lang yan. Sino ka ba? Nasaan ka ba? Wala nga naman, anak. Dahil sa tunay na samahan, iba namin pinagsamahan. Binabati ko kayong mga Pilipino dito sa Amerika. Alam nyo, dapat nag-Amerikano na lang ako. Dahil mukha akong Amerikano. Pero okay lang yun. Sana naging presidente ako. Pero hindi ako nanalo. Dahil sa'yo, GMA.
Okay, sandali lang. Huwag na tayo mag-away dito, no? Okay, bumati ka na lang.
Binabati ko kayo. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Ayan, si FPJ. Palakpakan mo natin si FPJ. I don't know if you know Robin Padilla. He's the bad boy of Philippine movie industry. He was here now. Okay, Robin, paring Robin. Kamusta naman? Pakatol, ang tunay na lalaki. Pasensya ka na to. Robin Padilla po. Binabati ko po lahat ng mga Amerikano at mga Pilipino dito. Yun lang po. Thank you. Ayan. Maraming salamat. At alam niyo po ba, sa Philippines, most of the voiceover that you hear on TV sometimes is not their real voices. Just like si Sir Bernardo is doing, sino po? Eddie Garcia? Parang Ronnie. Robin, di ba? Eddie Garcia. At ako po, ginagawa ko po sila Mike Enriquez, Mark Logan. You know Mike Enriquez, no? The newscaster, right? Okay, he was here now. He's here. Okay, Mike Enriquez, pasok! Magandang araw po sa inyo mga kapuso at mga kapamilya at mga kapatid dito sa Union City. Magandang araw po at ako po ay nandito ngayon sa Union para batiin kayo ng maligayang, excuse me po, Happy Independence Day po pala. At dahil dito, hindi namin kayo tatantanan. Ayan. Alright, thank you very much. I know some of you don't really know them, but I'll do some character voices for you later on. Okay, so I don't know if you know Mark Logan from ABS-CBN, and he will greet you. He's here now. Hi! Binabati ko ang mga kababayan ko dito sa Union City. O di ba ang gaganda at ang gagwapo niya? Hoy, ang taray ng lola. At dahil dito, mabuhay kayo. Happy Independence Day sa inyong lahat. Ayan po, si Mark Logan. I know some of you know this character called, a broadcaster called Ray Langit, right? Ray Langit, pasok! Patapos sa langit, ang tamaan huwag magagalit niya. Binabati ko ang mga kababayan natin dito sa Amerika. Yep, thank you very much. At yan, may naligaw po si paring... sino po ba yung naninigaw? Who among you watch this children's show called Batibot? You know, when you were young in the Philippines, it's like Sesame Street here in America. But there's a character called Kiko Maching. And he's here now. Kiko, batiin mo naman yung mga kababayan natin dito.
Magandang araw po sa inyo. Kamusta mga bata? Ako po si Kiko Maching. Maligayang... Ay, ano pala? Happy Independence Day sa inyo. Maligayang kalayaan. Thank you.
Ayan, si Kiko Maching. At may naligaw po, galing po sa Las Vegas. Medyo may sasabihin daw po sa inyo. Ladies and gentlemen, from the Philippines, Manny Pacman Pacquiao! Thank you very much to all of you, especially to all my kababayan. Thank you. You know, I'm very sorry if I disappoint all of you. You know, I did everything, you know. It's so hard. I almost knocked Bradley, you know. But it's a game, you know. You know, it's boxing is not all about killing. So I didn't kill Bradley, but I don't know that I am going to lose. But you know, I have many money because 70% goes to me. And there's another boxing on November, I will get another money. I will win for that and another boxing. So that's trilogy, okay? And I would like to thank my coach, Freddy Roach, okay? And also to all, Madam President is no longer. Mr. President, thank you po. All right, that's all. And I'll do some English character like SpongeBob. Okay. No, SpongeBob? Yeah. Okay, SpongeBob, how are you? Can you say something?
Hey, come on, Patrick. My name is SpongeBob. Da!
Hey, my name is Patrick. How are you people? Hey, shut up, you two. Okay, Ed. That's it. I will sing a song from Barney. Hey, kids, this is for you. I love you, you love me. Be a happy family. Anyway, happy Independence Day. Thank you. And tomorrow I would like to invite all of you to please go to my session. It's called The Art of Personal Branding. And I'm gonna, you know, tell you some stories about my life. And, you know, it's a privilege for me to be here. It's just like a dream come true to me, you know, standing in front of you. But, you know, I've been to more than 25 countries, but the idea of talking and speaking in front of my fellow kababayan here is really a privilege. And I thank you for listening to me. And God bless you all. May pag-asa pa ang Pilipinas. Mabuhay kayo, mabuhay ang sambayan ng Pilipino. Thank you.
All right, guys, let's give Pocholo Gonzalez a big hand again. Wow.
Yes.
You know,
And-
Pochola just arrived from Manila. I didn't know he packed all those characters in his Balikbayan box. You know?
Yeah, and he has a performance tomorrow.
So yeah,
right?
tomorrow,
At Century House and Gardens at Fremont Boulevard.
so this is a free event. If you guys know where Holy Spirit Church is in Fremont, one block from that,